On my previous video, I talked about all the tools and material I need to bodywork repair my car at home, but today we are going to take all the things and start working on my KP30. So I guess today's video is a part 2, which we grind off all the old body filler, painting the anti-rust coat, using the fiberglass to cover the holes, applying the body filler, and sand all the body filler down. But in today's video, all the steps I showed, it is just me, like how I did all the things. I mean, there's more professional way to do it, but this is just how me doing it on budget. So here is the disclaimer. Alright guys, so I hope you guys will watch this video until the end because it took me almost 2 days to edit this video. So yeah, without wasting much time, let's get today's video started. What is up everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you can see in today's title, I'm going to repair the rust right here. So if you haven't watched the previous video, please click this white color link and go back and watch. If you're still confused about what are the tools you need or anything, so just click back the previous video. So in today's video, we're going to repair this rust. There is a hole right here and we're gonna grind all of them and put the fiberglass on it. There is no welding needed. Alright, so we are using this to grind this. Alright, so we already grind off all the old body filler. This is how it looks. This car is full of this old body filler. A lot.
Oh 2,000 years later.
Yo guys, look at this. Alright.
Why did I pour so much high?
Alright guys, so I just paint the anti-rust layer and tomorrow we're gonna fix all these holes, all this, so they have been grind off. And yep, what is up everyone, it's another morning. So today, as I said, we are going to fiberglass the hole. So here we got our fiberglass made. It looks like this. So you're gonna have to cut it to the size you want, and this is the fiberglass resin. and this is the hardener for this resin. So you're gonna mix them up like 1 to 2 drops to here, and you stir it up and apply to here. And you cut a small piece like this is the hole, and you're gonna paste this on here, and you're gonna apply the fiberglass resin to here. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut for this, for this, for this, and for this. All right. Alright, so now that we already fill here, we fill here, and also here. It is the best if you let it dry for like 3 to 6 hours to let them fully dry, and you can start sanding them again and apply the body filler. So let's just wait. But meanwhile, waiting this to dry, we're gonna go ahead and put on the body filler for this part.
lucky this one. Yes.
Alright guys, today is day 4 and here are the updates. We fixed all the holes and applying the body filler here, and also here, and also here, and also here, and all these parts right here. And all this rust will be fixed soon. And now I'm gonna go ahead and sand them down. Alright guys, it's another day. Oh my god, it's been a month since I doing this car. So here are the updates on what we are doing. So basically we put the body filler here and sand it off, but I'm gonna end this video by putting the last body filler here. As you know, before this was all the rust and we fill it with the fiberglass. So right now I'm gonna apply the white color body filler, which is the last layer of the body filler, to this thing. So here it goes. And this is the update from the back side. All here we already filled it with the body filler. Alright guys, so this is the thing. We call it putty here, but we also call it white cement here, the white body filler in Malaysia. So this is the final touch if you are already satisfied with the shape. And after you apply this, you can apply the undercoat, the gray color undercoat primer. But that's gonna be the next video, I mean the primer coat video. So right now we are going to put this thing. Yes. So this thing, it's very soft and flexible. Unlike this is the metal one.
Very soft and flexible.
Yes. And these are all the leftover from me. And this is my poodle. You. I ever post him on my previous video. And this is the big dog.
Called pie cement.
My house doesn't have a screwdriver.
Ha 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 ha.
Oh my god, it works. Oh, it's gray saya. Oh, I'm sorry guys. This is actually gray.
讲什么颜色啊？
我讲 white 嘛，因为白 cement 嘛。
乱来。
So this is the primer.
It's not called primer.
Primer 来的，人家餐厅那来喷的不是？是不是？
This is pie cement. So we call pie cement. You see?
Oh, yo.
Mm.
It's so smooth. Wow. I think this is the primer actually.
This is what we call pie cement.
Whoa.
Cannot 中到的空气。If the 中到的空气 then we're going to hot. So cannot 中到的空气。不管天有阴啊。
Whoa, I hear R35. Okay, so continue by this part with my dad's legend hand. And I also removed the front grille, the bumpers, the bezel, and this is how the engine bay looks so far with the open pot from my previous video, the engine. And yes, and there's a big dent right here. I guess the previous owner actually, you know, accident the car, but we will fix it. Yeah. Alright guys, so this is the final product. Basically you just put that thing, whatever you call it, this thing, and then the last layer of the body filler I just put on this, and of course we're gonna put on all the parts that we have been sanded off, but I'm going to end this video right now. So the next video is gonna be me sanding all the parts and fix all the part over here, and also primer coating the whole car. So if you like this video, I hope you guys can follow my YouTube and like follow the progress and give my channel a subscribe. You can unsubscribe anytime if you want. So I think that's all, and I'll see you guys on my hair is messy next video.